Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to make lifetime steps, distance and floors private on Fitbit app. You click on Fitbit. In this page, you will go here to about this window of profile. Then we click on Fitbit settings. In this page we click on social and sharing. After that we click on privacy. Then we go here to this window of lifetime steps, distance and floors, and we click in this sign to make it private. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.